Hello and welcome to my channel, where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis every day, Monday to Friday, analyze price action, and prepare setups for day trading. Let's see how the week is going now. Same place as yesterday, nothing new. Expect weekly to be tested. It wasn't tested yesterday. The weekly resistance we rejected and got a little bit of correction. Good news is that we are bouncing from the middle of this range, and we would expect probably today to take these highs, these two. Hopefully today, unless they do some kind of fugazi. Now let's see what I had projected yesterday. Yesterday I was saying that this is still going up and correction is not started yet, the retrace. And if we take one low, that's fine. If we take more, I would expect naked session point of control to hold at 42,500 more or less. I was expecting this to hold. So the thing is that we didn't hold this, and I knew that it's kind of risky to stay in long, but I still stayed because stock market, look at this daily chart. What is this? Pushing to all-time high. They are not shaking me out of my Bitcoin long. I will accept a loss. This is my long from right here, from the bottom. I will accept the loss if we go down, but they will not shake me out with this. And why we dropped like that? Because fast move up, we can easily drop fast as well. These guys who longed here, they have stop losses on these lows, and it's easy to just run them all in one sweep. Now this is an imbalance, and we filled all of it to the bottom. And for me, this is normal Bitcoin price action. Like, we always go for liquidity or filling imbalances. So I don't become bearish when we fill this. I would be bearish if we reject and start losing point of control right here. 42,370 more or less. If we start losing this, I will be bearish, at least short term, expecting 40k to be taken. For now, we bounce from the middle. This is acting like a backtest. From trading 101, you look for backtest and then continuation up. You don't become bearish on retrace. You expect retraces, so you cannot change your sentiment like that. Very nice price action, clean, right here. Naked session point of control, I can remove this now. The daily I will keep, probably. Let's see which dailies I should keep. This one I can remove because I have daily open. If we close this green, it's gonna be a new daily, so that's not a problem for me. Weekly open, this daily, and that one, which is acting as resistance. I like to keep on my chart the highest and the lowest level on daily chart, and on all the untapped levels. Like this one, it's the highest, but at the same time it's untapped. Very important level, 44,190. Very important. And this one is already cleaned yesterday, cleared, and I still keep this because in this consolidation it's kind of a highest daily. And this one as well, it's cleared, but I still keep it because it's the lowest daily. What that means is that if we close day below, I would expect continuation down, or at least take the low again. Yeah, so that's the levels I need now. So far we are still ranging, so we shouldn't really become very bullish now on the highs of the range, because this is kind of the highs right here. We shouldn't become bullish. And this is the highest daily on the chart, and you can see it's rejecting already. So we can still get a rotation down. And if we do get rotation down, normally I would expect the lows to be taken. Bitcoin is acting a little bit strange this Christmas season, because we front run this high and before that we front run the lows. This is usually not happening because people put stops at 39999 because they think Bitcoin never below 40k. There is a large group of people who think like that, and people put stop losses above this high as well. So why we didn't take them, not here and not there? Usually I would think that both of them will be cleared. So if we take out these highs and we start rejecting from the weekly or a little bit higher, I would be very careful and I would probably be shorting this. Not here, because this is downtrend. I don't short downtrend, I short liquidity grabs. I don't care about this. But this one, potential short opportunity. And as well as that, we have this high and the daily. Any place that bounces, high as well, possible bounce, and we come back below. Like, how do I explain this? We need to recover one level. Basically, you have the highs. If you do a swing failure, you need to recover one level, which next one is this daily. So if you come below the daily, you can start shorting or building shorts. And if we reject from the daily and come below the weekly, you can start building shorts. Same story. And if we reject from this swing failure, next level probably this daily, 43k, then you start building shorts. Because it will give reactions, that's the thing. Like this one, it will give a reaction. And you will see this, you think, oh my god, we're going down. And then it just bounces. So first recover some levels. You can enter aggressive short if you want, just small, so that when you add to the short, you can have a nice average entry. Because you will get reactions. And if it just squeezes, get out. Because we don't know what's gonna happen. I'm talking about shorts, but personally I think actually that we're gonna squeeze all the way to 48k. I just don't want to live in a fantasy. And we need to make money every day. So if it doesn't happen, it is what it is. We need to be prepared. Okay, so since this is a range, we can put fixed range. Pull value area high. Okay, point of control here. There was a lot of volume probably. We backed this at point of control, and when we bounce from point of control, we expect a break. So another bullish thing is that we bounced from point of control and we didn't reach the lows. We didn't get a full rotation down. That's nice. Now locally what we have golden pocket. This naked point of control is not here anymore because we cleared it many times. It's washed now. So with this golden pocket, we could be going and for another move down there to the weekly open. Week is finishing, like we are on the second part of the week now. It's Wednesday. But I wouldn't expect, yeah, so I don't know, we could get a move down, but I wouldn't be shorting like this downtrend. Of course, like yesterday I was fooled a bit because this is a golden pocket. This is as well a small liquidity grab here. And why I didn't short? Because I saw that on Atas they are buying up everything. This move down, sharp CVD drops. That means that limit orders are buying up and people are forced to sell. Everyone who bought, they're forced to sell. They buy higher and of course nobody wants to sell lower, but it is what it is. Price is pushed down and they have to sell. And then the guys behind who are controlling the book, who putting the orders in the book that you take from them, they can put lower price if they want. There is not enough retail to stop drops and pumps. Retail cannot stop the moves. So we reached weekly VWAP, which starts on Monday. That's another confluence, as well as the point of control that I showed before, and the filled imbalance from the sharp move up. So 3 confluences, very nice bounce. So let's see if people are buying. Actually, locally now I want to see this because I see sharp CVD rise. That means people are longing now, open interest increasing, they expect a breakout, and price is not moving because someone is selling. The market maker is selling at the moment, but when you think about this, you see how much selling we needed from this point to move price down and how much buying we needed to move price back up. It's much less buying because the resistance is much smaller. It's not like resistance is smaller, but we don't test it with enough. If we had same amount of buyers as sellers, price would be probably at 45k already. But people keep pressing sell. I don't know what you believe, what articles you read, and how you learn trading, but people are pressing sell, very aggressive shorting. There is much more people thinking that we don't go higher. And it's not my opinion, I have proof. Order flow is proof that people are selling aggressively. And it's happening since last week Thursday. Right here. There was Thursday, from the highs here. Aggressive selling. So I think we go higher because this belief is very good emotion to have for bull market. So I consider this bull market sentiment for me, as at least. I don't care bull market, bear market, but yeah. So on the move down we left some imbalance unfilled, but we got a sharp bounce. Many of them are filled. We actually tapped. This is 1 hour chart. On like 30-minute chart we tapped everything and we filled the imbalance. That's fine. So currently we have chop range. VWAP is holding the uptrend. Like here, people aggressively shorting. I have no idea why. They got absorbed, and now this is a lot of buyers, and it seems like the market maker doesn't want to let it go yet. It seems like we go a bit lower. We have imbalance here to fill at 42,500. Let's go back to trading view and make a plan. Find some levels. So the market maker wants to move price down, and 42,500 gonna be imbalance. So if we move below 42,500, it's gonna be a bad story. You don't like this because golden pocket is rejecting. Daily open with another golden pocket, and we test the upside and then we test the downside. Everyone who is buying, they will get wrecked, and I could see a large drop. If we go to weekly open, then we test the upside, test the downside on weekly as well. We start testing the downside of weekly. It's easy way down to below the lows, below 40k. So at the moment we cannot really be bullish. Locally it's resisting, so I wouldn't expect a breakout yet, but it can change very fast. On order flow we can get support, massive wall here, and then we bounce. So losing daily open is bad. 42,500 is okay resistance, okay support, like not bad, and that's all. Shorts are here. So I hope you learned something, and have a good day, and see you tomorrow.